Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, February 6th. Let's start with Bitcoin as usual. Let's see what we have. Well, weekly chart. That's the most important. We can zoom out. I don't think monthly it's relevant at this point for us at least. Well, you can see what we have. We have a range and a strong fight at 100k. People at the bottom of the range will panic selling, or they'll say, well, it's over. After the price will recover and will push above 100k, we'll say to the moon. And they'll lose money up and down until nothing is left to lose, and then the market will find another range or will push higher. So for the moment, people, same idea like the last couple of months. Yeah? Fighting 100k. Good for altcoins. Yeah? For some altcoins is good. For us is good. They'll swap the lows. They'll consolidate and hopefully will push higher. For Moon Boys, this is a pain in the ass. For Moon Boys is a disaster. Bitcoin sitting there all the way up at 100k, altcoins not performing. That's a problem for them. They'll lose patience and they'll lose money after that. Okay, that's Bitcoin on weekly. Let's go on daily. We can see the range even better. You can see here. My idea was to take this swing low, swing high, draw a long reload zone, and let's see what we have. Now, in that dump, we retested some levels, nothing special, nothing, I don't know, unusual. High volatility candles in bull market, it's normal. Look left, you can see here this one formed a nice range. Hopefully this candle will not form another range. It's possible. So overall, we are still fighting this area. On daily chart, I'm still waiting for a scenario like this. I'm still waiting. Will happen? Will make the W here in the long reload zone? I don't know. Maybe we'll make it higher, maybe lower. But I'm expecting price action like this to happen. Hey everyone. Hey Andrei, Peep, Bucor, Ivan, and everyone. So this is my expectation in this range. Yeah? Fighting this area, making a W and pushing higher. We can also fight 100, stay here and then push higher straight up, yes. But for me to play a setup on higher time frame, I need this kind of price action. To short, no, I prefer not to short. But if the market will push higher here in the short reload zone, because now we can draw a simple short reload zone. For example, this is the swing high, this is the swing low, and we can put a short reload zone. You can see it's here in the highs of the range. If I'll see an EM here, I'll be forced by my plan to hedge my spot portfolio, because I'm full of altcoins. I have multiple investment plans on altcoins. I'll hedge my portfolio with a short on Bitcoin. But not here, people. Not here in the long reload zone. Here in the short. If we'll go back up, then I'll hedge. Here in this area, man, I'm thinking long. Here I'm thinking stay the fuck out. Here I could think short. Mountain Man maybe an EM. I prefer the classic EM in the short reload zone. Your name is hard to spell, Arjun. That's why. It's hard to spell for a Romanian, that's why. Nothing personal with anyone. Sorry, people. A lot of you, and I'm just, I'm not even seeing the entire chat. I see just a part of it. So don't get offended. Okay, so that's my thinking on Bitcoin. Ethereum. Well, look at this one. This means that someone bought the shit out of Ethereum here. I said it multiple. This means that they ugly rejection here. Price will not accept here easily. We are lucky if the market will come back down here and retest this week. This tail actually. Morning pop. We'll be lucky if we'll get a retest here. Institution bought tons of Ethereum here. Trump new crypto related thing bought Ethereum there. They'll sell it for a quick profit if we reach this area. Probably part of it. If we'll come back up here, they'll sell some. Why? Because the motherfuckers could bring it all the way back down if they want. But overall, institution bought tons of Ethereum here. This is not retail, people. This rejection here, yeah, this is not me or Noure or Ivan or, I don't know, Andrei. No. That's something else. It's something different and something more powerful than us. What we can do on Ethereum Bitcoin, look at it. It's accepting back here. I'm not touching this one. I'm not thinking anything until I'll see this level swept again. If we'll accept above, then we know that was a deviation. I think it is a deviation. I suspect it's a deviation, but after the price will accept back above 0.03, then we have more confluences there. Anyway, nice to see that everyone is bashing and is saying Ethereum is dead, and Ethereum is getting stronger and stronger against Bitcoin. At least last couple of days. Well, total market cap, for example. We are still fighting above $3 trillion. Nothing bad. I'm keep saying the same thing over and over again. Nothing bad here. Total 3. Still fighting 1 trillion. Nothing bad. Bitcoin dominance. Well, look at this one. Rejection on Ethereum, but rejection, clear rejection on Bitcoin dominance here. I think Bitcoin dominance will push higher above 65. I don't know. I don't know about that, honestly. We can retest this week, but I think this will mark a local top here. Let's wait for the weekly chart to close. But I think this high marks a local top, if not the top. Could be the top, I don't know. So that's the overview, people. Similar route yesterday. Not too many things we can say. Altcoins, you can see some of them, they are starting to move. People will not look at altcoins, will say, well, fuck it, they moved 2%, 5%. Well, let's wait more. Let's wait for better levels, because that's the way people are thinking. Let's buy the dip. If I'll see a dip, I'll buy the fucking dip. That's the level. When the market is getting there, I'm not buying this one. I'm waiting for lower. And you'll buy it 5 times higher. Hey, Stefan, morning. And you saw the deviation on most of us. Took the liquidity. Look left, people. Look at the last cycles. You don't have to trust me. Just go on all shitcoins and look, well, let's see what happened last time. And you'll see the same thing. They took all the liquidity, they consolidated, kind of Dalai Lama pattern, sideways and up, slowly first. So people will not buy and will wait for lower. And then all of the sudden you'll see 100% increase, 200% increase. It's gone. Now I have to FOMO. That's why I put that limit orders at weekly double retest. That's the best level overall you can have for a beginner, for a trader that doesn't have time. Yeah, let's put weekly chart here. Look at it. I should be sorry that I didn't bought the bottom when I bought here. No, don't worry about it. It's weekly double retest. That's the best level. Look at it. We just touched that one. Look at it. We touched that one. Look at this one. Swept all the lows. Look. Maybe one more here. But look at it. It's accepting back in the range. Back in that level. What do you think will happen next? Similar here. Swept the liquidity. All the liquidity that was built here in 2024. Yeah. All the liquidity, all the stop losses, on spot, doesn't matter. Everything that was here, well, I'll buy the shit out of it. It's out now. The price is reset completely. And now we can start over again. You will be lucky to get the same reaction like here. Months of a consolidation. No. I don't think it's the case this time. Usually after a swap, price is accepting, staying a little bit here, breakout retest and up. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we'll have the same consolidation. Who knows? Mobi is going down. Well, you don't want to chase this one. This one is weak indeed. It's pointing lower. Nobody says that it's not doing that. It's doing the to zero road idea. But you'll see something like this. W. And then probably you'll have the time for a short period of time this time to get a retest. Rest is up to you, people. Similar here, similar on SSV. Look at it. All the liquidity on SSV was out. I know a lot of people bullish on this one. You know some people? TIA, similar. Look at this one. People, look at this one. Remember this chart when, not regulars, but some people ask me, well, what do you think about TIA here? Well, I'm thinking I should buy here or if I'm lucky here. Look at it. Textbook play. Textbook play. People, I'm not buying $3. No, I will wait for $1. I'm not saying not to have some orders below. I'm not saying that. But buy some fucking TIA at $3 if you believe in TIA and if you like TIA. If you consider that it's a good buy at, I don't know, at $11, at $7, at $8, you don't consider it's a good buy anymore at $3? I could see a 10x on TIA pretty easily. Maybe more. Okay. Similar on RSR. I said don't chase this one because, well, in the Trump team will be an RSR advisor or something. Come on. This is bullshit. Let it run. Or if you have some, sell half on a double, get in a free position and wait lower. Well, we didn't touch this level, but we are in the long reload and we are back here. Well, now you can go on daily and hunt the next daily double. Morning, Sebastian. And I could keep going and going all the altcoins here. All the altcoins look similar in this area. It's up to you, people. Don't focus on Bitcoin fighting 100K and fuck around like a heartbeat, up, down, up, down, up, down. When you can focus on altcoins that they are forming the bottom, they sweep the liquidity, and they are at good levels to, even if you are thinking trading, why the fuck you are focusing on Bitcoin? If you are scalping, yeah, because there you need some things. It's better to scalp in a high liquidity environment. Up to you, people. Let's look at the news, what we have. Well, tomorrow, like we said, tomorrow we have big news. NFP tomorrow, unemployment rate, consumer sentiment. So maybe that will set the tone for the February. I don't know. We know the interest rate. Let's see the NFP. That will give some ideas what will happen next for the traditional market, and that will influence crypto. So let's watch what will happen tomorrow. Keep in mind, you should not be in a day trade tomorrow. In the event, 1 hour before, 1 hour after, kind of. But you get the idea. Tomorrow could set something. Maybe it'll be just a usual dark mole, up and down and nothing burger, exactly where we started. But also could start something. What is wrong with 40 people watching and 13 likes? Well, I don't want to push people to give me a like. I prefer to let them push the button without me saying anything, Andre. If you want to help us as a community to grow, well, then you have the X post. We posted the link on Twitter. Go and repost that one. That will help us for more people to see us. It's the only thing you can do to help if you want. Okay, so let's pay attention tomorrow. Lower time frame. You can see Ethereum is doing kind of a Dalai Lama, even an ugly Dalai Lama here. Stefan said in the morning, well, spot is not buying. Okay, yeah, indeed, could be. But I'll short? No. If we'll dip, I'll buy. And that's it. So if we'll dip in the pump chaser zone, long reload zone, then I'll buy it. But shorting, no, not for me. I know on VIP, Stefan is posting some shorts. That's correct. But in my personal plan, I said no more short. It's just me. It's maximizing my win rate. It's in my profit. I don't want to see shorts. I know to short you. You know me. I'm trading up and down all the time, but we are too close to the something special for me to even think about shorting. I want to focus only on the long, only on buying the dips. I don't want to even think about shorting. I see the short reload zone. That tells me at this point in time, well, if we'll be here, I'll not long in the short reload zone. I'll stay the fuck out. Okay, Bitcoin. Pump chaser zone, you can see we made the W. What I don't like here, I don't like the equal lows here. Let's see if they are equal lows. Exactly, on the dot. They'll retest this one? Probably. Who knows? But in the same time, look at this. This looks a big W on 4-hour chart, most likely. I took a trade yesterday. I'm still in that trade on Bitcoin. I can see barely, but I'm there. I didn't got stop loss wasn't hit. You can see we are at the same level. Usually I'm putting my stop loss just a little bit. I don't know, $5, $10 below the week low here. I never put it exactly there. Just a little bit lower. And sometimes it's a good it's a good thing to do. But I'm still in the trade and I still see this AB equals CD here. Nothing changed from yesterday when I posted this one. But if you look at some altcoins on 1 hour, well, Dalai Lama, I could see it here for me. Ethereum, well, a bit more aggressive. FED, similar. This is pump chaser zone, people, and we are making W's. Yeah? This is pump chaser zone, is the thing we talked about 2 days ago. Let's see. Pump chaser, look at it. We are making W's in the pump chaser zone, breakout and retest. The W is there. Will be a win trade? I don't know. It's a setup? Yeah, for me it is. I'll play some of them. Similar here. Just look at it. If the market is strong enough, this is the area where you want to hunt W's. Pump chaser zone. This stopped me out. Look at it. Next boss. No big deal. I'll take the next one? Of course I will. If I'll see a clear W breakout retest, I'll take it. 40% of my, 45%, 50% even of my trades will hit the stop loss. Similar. A bit deeper here, 50% retracement and 50% of the time. No W yet on Solana. No W yet. Could form a W. We'll see. Tao looks like a Dalai Lama here. TIA, you can see we are below 33%. Not the best W, but on lower time frame is there on 50-minute chart. Huh? You can see the W on 50-minute chart. You think you can trade like this? Well, this is the W breakout and retest. You think? Let's put the high. It's a 4.5 risk to reward. How many times you should win with a system like with 4.5 risk to reward to get break even, not to make money? How many times? You know? Well, do the math. So, will be profitable for me to take this W? After that dump on now consolidating, pump chaser zone here, we're in the pump chaser zone. AB equals CD possible. Thinking AB equals CD, well, that will give you a better risk to reward. No? What do you think? People, this is high opportunity, nice opportunities we have here. I'm not saying, well, we'll work and we'll go and we'll do. No, but if this one is the bottom for the AB equals CD move, well, please tell me what risk reward is this? It's possible for a TIA to reach $4? I don't know. There you go. You can wait for the market to reach this level and then to take a 3-to-1. AB equals D classic. Or you can front run like this. Or you can do even something better if you don't like neither of this. This is an M, okay? This is an M. If it's an M and it's confirmed, we accept it below, we can draw a trend line. So, taking this week high, and waiting for a W the other side of the trend line. We can do that? Yes, we can. So being patient here probably will fuck around, up and down, give me a W the other side and ready to go. A lot of ways to frame this market. But the opportunities are here. Let's assume this level will fail and will go back down. Where? In the long reload zone. Well, that's the best level I want to hunt W's, and I'll still hunt long ideas. I don't know, Sebastian, I'm not thinking like that. Well, soon we'll pump. No, we are traders, trade by trade, level by level. We waited from 2022, 2023 until 2025 with a lot of bags on altcoins. We sold half on a double, get tons of free positions. We dollar cost average. I want the market to move tomorrow? No, it's not up to me, and I don't even think about it. You know how they say in crypto. One more. You can see one more dip. I don't know. I'm not here to predict. But I'm ready if it will happen. Okay? If the market will pump, I'm ready. That's the most important thing. So, TIA, 15-minute chart, W, breakout, retest. Take it if you want. Leave it if you don't like it. Up to you. Here, on 1 hour, I have a trade. I'm still in. Trade from yesterday. AB equals CD kind of play. Look at it. Will perform? I don't know. For the moment, I'm below entry. Could hit my stop loss in, I don't know, in 2 minutes. Down, take my stop loss, and that's it. I'll hunt again. Ripple. You think this pattern is bearish on Ripple? Just look at it. Looks like it's bearish to you? For me, it's not, honestly. Not bearish at all. Let's take the high, let's take the M there. Look at it. We'll probably consolidate. I don't know if you'll get a proper W on because we are talking Ripple, but you can see something like this. Okay, here. And then touching the trend line again here and bye-bye. Something like this. It's possible on Ripple. It's Ripple after all. Ugly to trade. Doge, similar pattern. Looks a bit better on Ripple, but anyway. Similar. Is bearish here? A dip in the long reload zone will be bearish for us? No. Jupiter. You can see I have the trend line already. Long reload zone or a W. This is a bit steeper, so will happen sooner. So W, the other side of the trend line, and I'll be ready to play a setup. Pengu. Well, on Pengu I said something in the morning. I even posted the trade on VIP. Pengu was shiny for some time. Then was not shiny anymore. Then they stopped the airdrop. And they burned, I don't know, 10, 12% from the entire supply. So that was kind of a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Yeah, everyone knew that they'll burn the rest of the supply, and the price in the event dumped. Now I'm waiting for the W. What I'm thinking here? Well, look left. You can see you have a small support there. It's making W's. Please give me a breakout. I necessarily need a breakout. Let me zoom in on this one. I hope the VIP are here and they are listening. What I was thinking here. I want a breakout here. If I see the breakout, the market closing on 1 hour above this level, then I'll hunt at the retest. So I'll put my limit order here. OCO limit order. Entry here, stop loss here, take profit all the way up. I could see Pengo at 2 cents, 2.5, 4 cents again? Yes. You think Pengo invested so much money and they did the airdrop and everything and now they all go to zero quietly? I don't think that's how this business works. Just my 2 cents. They sold some Pengo, indeed. They made some money, but I don't think this is it. So they could push it up again. The moment is right. We are in a nice environment on crypto. Everything is friendly with crypto. Why not? So I'm thinking long here, but a different aspect of it. I'm not taking the breakout. I wait for the breakout. Close above. That will give me more confidence, a better win rate. And then I'll play this one. If this will fail and will take, before we'll do the breakout, we'll take the lows, I'll cancel the idea. I'm not touching it anymore. I'll wait for the next W and I'll play the same game. So you got my thinking on lower time frame on Pengu here. Okay? Hope that it's pretty clear. Yes, is pushing back up, which is not bad. Look at it. Range, but this looks like once higher. I'll be honest, looks like once higher. And hype. If you want to play something strong, for example, let's put 4-hour chart. Look what happened with hype in the dump when Ethereum dumped and everything dumped. Nothing burger. Doesn't care about the dump. I could think, like a stupid reason, I could think that this one, when everything will pump, this one will pump harder than the rest. I could assume that. I think so. I think I could assume that. Here in the middle, not the best thing. It's in a range and it's staying there, it's consolidating. But just if you want to buy something that it's a bit, I don't know, not safer, it's a wrong word. More stable for the moment. Well, we talked about almost all the coins here. They are looking similar. I see Dalai Lama patterns on most of them. I am still in this trade. I don't need to take another one on Bitcoin. Ethereum looks like once higher in the short reload zone, maybe pushing above $3,000. Could Ethereum push without retesting that level? Yes. Without even touching pump chaser zone? Of course it can. Why? Well, we'll push all the way up, for example, at 3,500. For example, something like this. Yeah? And then it'll come back down here and do the retest. And it'll still be considered a retest. And this week never to be touched again, for the moment at least. It's possible. So don't, well, no, we have to, now we have to go back down. No, it's not how this game is played. We'll have a retest at some point in time. I'm hunting here, of course, if it will happen, I'll be more than happy to load. Okay. I don't see questions. Hedging is not about beginners, Arjun. I could tell you how you can hedge. You can calculate your spot exposure and you have to do some assumptions. If Bitcoin will dump, how you can protect to stay flat. That's the idea. So I'll short on Bitcoin, trying to protect my spot bags. It's 100% sure? No. You have to pay a price? Yes. It's like you are paying assurance on your car. Similar. You have to know when to do it, how to do it. You want me to explain in a live stream? I'm not explaining to anyone. Because it's not something that you should do. You should play the classic game. If you know how to do it, why not? It's like playing assurance. Yeah. I have this portfolio. I see a high probability environment that the market will reverse. That will drag my portfolio down. So I'll short on Bitcoin or something else. And I'll hedge my portfolio. There are multiple ways how you can hedge. But not a discussion we want to do here. Because people are people. Yeah. Not something I want to, I don't know, discuss in a live stream. Learn if you want. There are ways to learn. There are ways to find out more. I'll not take it step by step. Morning, Christian. Morning, Jade. Check Sol? I just talked about Sol. Overall, good location for higher time frame, 4 hour chart, you can see. It's bullish here? Nah. We rejected from the old all-time high from this one. Fake out. We end out. We are still in this environment. Lower highs, lower lows. Kind of equal highs here. If we'll consolidate, make a W and breakout and retest, more than happy to think about it. Lower time frame, yeah. Lower time frame, you have a good location. But 4 hour and higher, well, no. It's not that bullish. It's too high to buy for, I don't know, as an investor. That definitely. As a trader, here you have a good location. If you zoom in on a 50-minute chart, but that's day trading already. Give me a clear W in a proper long reload zone. Okay? Swing high, swing low. Let's put long reload zone. There you go. This is the pump chaser zone. No W yet, ugly. You have something there, but that's not. This is just a dead cat bounce in the support now. Resistance now, sorry. So I want to see a proper. Technically, because we did this move straight up and we retested, we should do something like this. And then higher, maybe. But it's not my favorite to play this at this point in time. Not my favorite. It's big, it's slow as a chart. I prefer to trade something else. Could perform, yes. I have Solana, I have a lot of it. Why not? But I'm not seeing why I should play Solana now. I could play different charts. For example, Hype is looking better. TIA is looking better because it's bouncing and the TA is more clear, for example, here. Yeah, as I said. Up to you, people. You don't want to buy something after it just rejecting from the all-time high. We got a fake out and we are back in the range. If you have it, keep it. Good perform. What's the potential for Solana as a coin, as risk to reward? What's the potential of it? Some people say 500, some people say 1,000, maybe more. But you are at 250 almost. So what is that? 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, maybe. Kind of limited because we are talking crypto and this environment will not come back pretty soon. You'll not see the same price action. You'll not see the same risk to reward pretty soon. So enjoy it this year because you'll have to wait another 3 or 4 years to see it again. Take advantage if you know how to do it. Okay, let's call it Golu. Please help what? How do you want me to help you? I'll be honest, that message is from 90% of the time, that message comes from a moon boy. A guy without a plan that listens to the influencer and takes trades from X. Yeah? Is following people on Twitter and is taking calls from them. Don't be mad at me. Or be mad at me if you want. Yeah? When you start something, bro, help. That means you did stupid mistakes without asking me. Now you want me to fix your problem. Not possible. They could do 3-4x from here. Well, depending on the time frame, depending when how much money invested. If you can stay there, if you do 3-4x. If you invested the money without any plan, well, good luck. We are here for more than 2.5 years telling people plan, use plans, use setups, use good risk management. Sorry. I know sucks. I know it's hard for you. It's hard for me with a plan. So I could imagine how you feel, but it's impossible for me to help you. You can help yourself, and that's it. It's that simple. I know. I was there in your situation at some point in time. Sucks. It's hard. But you have to get over it and do better next time. Or start doing better. Start learning. Start using risk management. Start planning. That's the recipe. If you are... So I just told you. I think you are a moon boy. Not I don't know you. You are a name on YouTube. And a moon boy that took the influencer calls on Twitter and YouTube maybe. And you bought all the fucking tops possible. And now you are deep underwater, over leveraged, overexposed, in a shitty situation with no enough money to pay the bills. Hopefully it's not the case. Hopefully. Some people are. Then you have a problem. But the problem, they are not the influencers. The problem are not the crypto market or the coins. The problem is you. Why do you think if you have some money in your account, access to leverage, that you are a trader? Why you are there? It's like you put a white coat and a stethoscope in your hands and you say that you are a doctor. Learn first, plan first. There are tons of good plans out there. We have 2 or 3 of them on the investment part. One is even for free. Plan, and you'll not get in that situation. I think that people who follow the road to financial freedom, they are not in that situation. They are not rich yet, but they are in a good position. Some sell half on the doubles, investments at the bottom. Sorry, man, I recognize that kind of message, but nothing I can do to help you. You have to help yourself. That's for sure. It's impossible for me to repair what you broke. Sorry. And people, if you'll, that is not the case on you, Golo, but if I'll see anyone, doesn't matter, if I'll hear even for someone saying, well, help me, give me some money, or I have I don't know what problem, and I'll see the message, you're out from Crypto Traders. You are not allowed to ask for money or to bug anyone else, even with calls. If someone is calling, telling me, well, this guy is bugging me with tons of questions about setups and he's bugging me and he can prove that, I'll kick you out. So behave like a good member, like a good community member. Don't do stupid things, because I'm not accepting and I'm not doing exceptions. Yeah, exactly. You saw Sebastian said, well, if you are on spot and you don't need the money to pay the bills tomorrow, wait. If you can do that, the market will bounce at some point in time, and it will bounce hard, but nobody could tell you tomorrow the day after tomorrow, if will go up first or will go down even more and then will pump. But market will pump at some point in time. If you bought meme coins, man, you're kind of dead. Sorry to tell you that. Because there are too many of them, and maybe 1% of them, they will recover to bounce back. The rest will go straight to zero. Yeah? So hopefully you didn't buy meme coins. And you bought some quality projects with some utility. At least the hope of some utility. Sorry, Golu, if I was too blunt or too harsh on you, but that's the reality. Everyone needs a wake-up call. Stop fucking around. You're talking money. It's not easy to make money in this market. If you don't have a plan and if you don't use a proper risk management, it's impossible to make money. Well, I don't know. Bukur, I know you're saying about couple one, but I cannot accept all the people in couple one. I have only 2 places, late registration, and I'll select people that I'll accept in a couple one. Because if it's a high maintenance guy, it will take my time and will take from my trading time. Yeah? If you have tons of bad habits and you don't have the will to recover and to learn and to change, and I'll sense that, and I have my ways to find out, I'll not let you in couple one, because you can give me too much work and you'll break the environment in the entire program. So if I see you're a moon boy, I don't want you there. I'll be honest. I want to help people that they want to be helped, not people that, well, they say they want, the lips are moving, but actually they want to fuck around, to feel emotions. Yeah, but I know. Yeah, it's a way to learn, to take up one. But some people prefer to spend 10, 20, 50k fucking around in the market, losing the money, and then coming to me and say, well, I don't know if I have 1k to pay for couple one. Well, don't play the game then. I don't know what to say. Some people like you, Bukur, they decided, well, fuck it, let's learn first and then to play the market. And now they're happy campers. Well, they know what the risk management is. They know what a plan is. They are planning. They are perfect now. But they're in a good position. They will not lose their house or their entire portfolio on a trade. Okay, people. Let's call it a live stream. I ranted for 5 or 10 minutes. More than I should. And I need to go on VIP. By the way, don't DM Stefan anymore, please. The registration on VIP is closed. If you want to join, wait until next month. Yeah? In first day of March, you can DM Stefan and you can book a place. If we'll have places for the public. Because we have 50 people now. If all of them will join next month, we'll not even open the registration for the public on VIP. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. See you if you are a premium member in the New York session, where we'll try to do something. Usually, lately, the New York session is damn ugly. Just a slow range, nothing is happening. So, but we'll see you in the New York session. If you are not, if you are just a general member, see you tomorrow morning with the same live stream. Bye bye.